Hang it on a kitchen cabinet, and you'll get rid of a nagging problem. All you need is such a sachet. The problem in the kitchen, but not only there, are moths. Nobody wants moths in their food cabinets or in their clothing closets. Pantry moths love dry goods. If they get into them, flour, grains, or other products are immediately thrown away. The same can happen with clothes. To prevent moths from nesting, you need to protect your cabinets with such sachets. Start by preparing 1 orange and 1 lemon. Take a regular vegetable grater and grate their peels, both from the orange and the lemon. Transfer the grated peels into a bowl and mix them. Add a few cloves to it. Mix everything thoroughly. Prepare a thin cloth. Spread our mixture on it. Fold it at the corners and tie it with a rubber band. Hang such a sachet between your clothes, and you can be sure no moth will come near. You can also put all the ingredients into such a sachet. Such a sachet in the kitchen protects food supplies in the cabinet. The citrusy scent combined with cloves will repel moths. This beautifully scented blend will be unbearable for persistent insects. Thanks to this simple trick, you can enjoy a clean and moth-free home. Share this knowledge with your family and friends so that everyone can protect themselves from the invasion of these pests.